Hi class, welcome to another tutorial on CS384. This time we will be gonna learn the logical operators and, or, and not. Right? You also know these operators exist in C programming language. So a quick tutorial. First we just clear the output for our execution. So I'm defining x as true, y as false. Okay, this example we will take after this. So as you must have seen in the bitwise operator, what happens in an AND particular position in AND or not. Let me just open the bitwise slides. So in AND, what happens when both the inputs are 0, any one of the input is 0, the output is 0. When both the bits are 1, the output is 1. So 0 is equivalent to false and 1 is equivalent to true. What happens in OR? Even if one of the bit is true, that is 1, the output is 1, else the output is 0. What happens in NOT? Just the invert. 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0. NOT is like a flipping operator. X is true, Y is false. So what happens when I say X and Y? True and false. So what happens in AND loops? In AND logical operator? When both are true, the output is true. In this case, one of them is false, so the output is false. X or Y. What does OR say? Any one of them is true, output is true. So this output will turn out to be true. What is not? Not is inverting. So not X means true becomes false. What does not Y do? Y was false, so inverting is true. Right? Finally, why do we use and or not? Because in programming, you may encounter situations where you have to check for multiple conditions. Right? For example, A is 10, B is 50. I am saying if A is greater than 5 or B is greater than 55. See, I am using or. So A is greater than 5, 10 is greater than 5, which is true, but B is greater than. So 50 greater than 55 is false. But since I am having an or loop, even if one condition is satisfied across 100 conditions, the statement evaluates to true. Right? So let us execute the code. You see, initially we saw this, not X is false because initially X was true, and condition in if is satisfied. Condition in if is satisfied because this was true or false, which became eventually true. Okay. But if I write here and, okay, when I check multiple conditions, so A greater than 5, 10 greater than 5 is true, B greater than 55, 50 greater than 55 is false. So true and false is false. So the print of condition is not satisfied will be printed. See, condition is not satisfied. So this was about the logical operators. So for example, if you want to check for multiple conditions, including or and you can also have a combination of and ors, right? So that we will be seeing in the chaining operations. That's it for this video. Have a good time.